Welcome to the personal property tour for 62 Den Walk in Buckhaven. This is a spacious 2-bedroom ground floor apartment. It's in move-in condition. It's on a corner plot. You've got a fantastic sized front garden. You've also got garden to the rear as well. It's a personal property tour. All of the information is in the link attached, but I'll take you on the tour and see what you think. This is the property here. So it's ground floor, as you can see, but you can also see this extensive front garden that you've got. So if I just walk down here, so you're coming in the gate just here. You're on the corner plot, as I mentioned earlier on. But look at the size of the garden. Isn't that lovely? Such a great space, and you're accessing your property here. But because it's on the corner plot, it just feels really spacious and quiet. It's nice, isn't it? Right, we're going to head on in. So when we come in, you come straight into the vestibule. So again, this is great if you just want to offload your shoes and coats and things. It's a good space to do that here. Then we come into the inner hallway, so nice and bright, as you can see. Quite neutral as well, which I like, so a bit of a blank canvas for you. We're going to start in bedroom number 1. So if we come into bedroom number 1, as you can see, it's a really good sized double, lovely and bright and spacious apartment actually, and I think it's because those windows are nice and big. And this one overlooks the front garden, as you can see. The garden's great, isn't it? Love the big cherry blossom, but it just looks fab. So it's a really good sized double room. And that is bedroom number 1. We'll head back out into the hallway. And then we're going to go to bedroom number 2, which is at the end. And again, a really spacious double, as you can see. And this one overlooks the rear garden. So you've got rear garden over here. But again, a good sized room, isn't it? And that is bedroom number 2. And then from here, we're going to go into the family bathroom. And actually for a ground floor apartment, this is a really good size. So you've got your WC, you've got your sink, you've got your bath, you've got your rainfall shower head with your thermostatic control. I like the tiles actually. But actually it's quite spacious, isn't it? For an apartment, I think that's a really good sized bathroom suite. So we'll head back out into the hall. Now we wouldn't normally show cupboards, but this one is actually empty, and I think it's great just for you to see the space. But just look how large that is. Such a great storage area. Being ground floor, obviously you're going to need that, which is fab. We're going to head into the lounge, and again, a really good sized room. It's a great shape as well, so flexible with your furnishings. Got a little storage cupboard in here, but again, you've got this lovely big window, overlooks the front garden. It's nice, isn't it? I just think it feels really quiet because it's on this corner plot. It's a good size, isn't it? And then we're going to head into the kitchen. So as we come into the kitchen, you'll see it's really nicely designed. You've got lots of integrated appliances with this one as well. So you've got your oven, you've got your microwave, you've got your hob, your extractor above. You've also got your freezer and your fridge. But the beauty of this one as well, so this cupboard here, the previous owners actually were using that as a utility cupboard. So it's all plumbed, so you can't put the washing machine in there, which is great. And like especially the pull-out cabinets for your spice drawers. It's nice, isn't it? Again, overlooks the garden. But it's a good space. I like the colour of the units. And that's the kitchen. And then we come out into the rear garden. So you access from the side here. So as you can see, plenty of space for your bin store. You've got the seating area here. You've got this grass area that takes you down to the corner where that shed is. But isn't it lovely? You're going to get the sun all day as well. So nice, isn't it? Perfect. We'll just head back into the kitchen. And I'll just do a wee recap. So this is 62 Den Walk in Buckhaven. As you've seen, it's a really spacious 2-bedroom ground floor apartment. It's in move-in condition. You've got this great corner plot, so that front garden is fantastic, I feel. So you're getting a lot of sunshine in that front garden, and then you're also going to get that sunshine in the rear garden as well. So really great for the location and the plot size that it's on. Location-wise, as I say, this is fantastic. So you're close to Buckhaven Primary School. You're basically a 2 or 3 minute drive. You're at Leven Academy, but actually you're not far from the Fife Coastal Path as well. You can go down to Lower Buckhaven to the beach, which is great. Commute-wise, literally, you're equidistant. You're 5 minutes to Cameron Bridge train station, same to Leven train station. So you've got all the commute that you would need to take you to Dundee and beyond, and Edinburgh and beyond. So it's fab for that. You're also on the bus routes here too, which is another plus point, taking you into Leven if that's what you want to do. Leven, you've got the beach, the golf courses, the promenade, the swimming pool, you've got the high street, you've got all those lovely restaurants that are coming as well. So you've got Collier's Coffee Roasters, so a great cafe there. You've got number 6 Tapas, 56 Tapas Bar, that's a fantastic restaurant as well. So much on offer really in the high street now, which is great. You've got the beaches, as I said, but you've also got those great golf courses as well. You can walk all the way along to Lower Largo, which again is a lovely walk. But actually, you've got so many other adventure places here and lifestyle choices that you can make. So because you're on that Fife Coastal Path, there's lots of walks, cycling paths, etc. And again, if you want to go into town, Kirkcaldy, you can jump on that train at Cameron Bridge. You'll be there in about 15-20 minutes maximum. So really is a great location. This is the personal property tour. If you are interested in it, all the links are in this post along with the all-important price points. You can reach out to me directly as well, or you can contact the team on 01333 421 774, and it's Perry at Fife Property TV. Take care. Bye bye.